Hi there. Ice cream lovers, welcome to this episode or this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We do want to thank our episode sponsor, Carpigiani. I do a lot of voice to text stuff, and it's still when I say Carpigiani when I'm writing a letter to Cami or to Penny, they're great people at Carpigiani, it comes up Carpet Johnny. I don't know why it does that, but anyway, Carpigiani, Carpigiani, manufacturer out of Italy but sells all over the world. They're known as the largest ice cream equipment manufacturer in the world. Unbelievable. Carpigiani.com. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Now, we do a lot of trade shows, a lot of training here, and I'm really surprised that people really get excited about kitschy little signs. Now, your business may not have kitschy signs like this one here, never too cold for ice cream. Check that out. Never too cold for ice cream. So we did 2 trade shows this year. We did the Peck Food Show, which is up north of Ohio, and then we did the Mid-America Restaurant Expo. And I had some of these. I was surprised at how many people thought they were cool and wanted to buy them from me. This one here, never too cold for ice cream. Here's another one, let's eat ice cream. And the third one that I got was never settle for just one scoop. Now, where did I get these done? Did I get them made for me custom? Did I go on Amazon? No, I did not. I found these at my local Target store. And you know when you walk in the door of Target and they've got all of those kind of, what do they call them? The bins there, the cheap bins, the cheapo bins. These were $1 each. $1 each. Look, I know most ice cream people do this, but if you are walking into a Target or a big box store, always go by the craft section, always go by the home decor section, because they have a lot of these little signs that people really enjoy. This sign combo only cost me $3. I don't know, they're not always at the door in Target. I always kind of have a look and look for ice cream stuff. I got a whole lot of, stand by, just stand by 1 second. It's not usual for me to walk off camera, but I did also at Target get a set of 3 of these little ice cream cups. Now, I use them for decoration. We don't actually serve product in them. I don't know whether they're food grade or not, but the same principle is have a look around where you're shopping, even if you're not there for ice cream stuff. There's a lot of decor things. People love ice cream. There's a lot of ice cream decor stuff that could really enhance your store. People really get inspired by them. So anyway, nice easy one today. Keep an eye out for these signs, these little decorating tips, because people do really like them. If you're a traditional mom and pop store, they love this kind of stuff. It's relatively inexpensive, and you don't need to go online and kind of get them done specially made. Just keep an eye out for Target, Home Goods. Oh, we spend some money on Home Goods. And all sorts of places have these things that you can actually accent your home office, your home, your ice cream shop, even if you're doing videos. We have a whole bunch of props, as you will, that we use for Instagram stuff that we also use these signs for. So whether it be for decorating, whether it be for props for your social media posts, keep an eye out for them. That's all we have time for this episode. Just a quick one. Again, do want to thank our episode sponsor, Carpigiani. The link is down below. Look, if you have a quandary, a concern, a problem, as they say in the Cook Islands, a mana-manata, please reach out. info@scoopschool.com. Leave a message underneath. We read them all, don't we, Madeline? We read all of the comments. We may not respond to them all, but we do read them all. And if you have a suggestion for one of the episodes, please let us know. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.